In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a verification system on Discord. It's a very simple method, so if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Discord and go to the server of your choice. Once you know exactly what server you want it to be in, all you want to do is you want to open up Google. I'm doing this on Google Chrome, but you can do this on any browser. And you want to type in securitybot.gg. Once you're here, just click on the first link and it's going to say add security bot. You want to press this. It's going to say Discord app launch, continue to Discord, press that. And then you just have to select the server that it's going to be in, which in my case is going to be this test dummy Discord. Press continue. It's going to ask if you want to make it an admin and you need to do this for it to work properly. You press authorize and it says success. Security has been authorized and added to test dummy. You can now X out of this. And now as you can see in the Discord, it says a wild security has appeared. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to the chat section and type in verification enable. This is going to enable it in your server. It's going to say send command and verification has been enabled. Now we want to make a channel for verification. So what we're going to do is we're going to do /verification setup channel. Press enter again. Now, once it says verification channel has been set up successfully, you're going to see it at the very top in a brand new channel and it shows that a verification channel has been made. We want to go back to general and type in verification. And then you have different options on how verification could be done. So we want to do, for this example, one-click verification. Press enter. Now it says verification type has been set to one-click verification. Next thing we want to do is want to create a role that people are going to get after they verify. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the very top, go to server settings, go over to roles, type create role, and then let's do verified. And then permissions can be whatever you want after someone verifies. For example, just view channels, press save changes, and you're going to have a verified role. Now, all you want to do is when you go back to your general, type in verification, set verified, and then you want to pick the role and then just pick the exact role that you have, which in our case is verified. Press enter and it says successfully set verified role to verified. Now what this means is whenever anyone else joins your Discord server from this point onwards, if they want to view the text channels, because that's what we had in our role, they would have to first verify and then they would be able to view the text channels.